Assalamu alaikum, beloved Azur.
Walaikum salam
My name is
warahmatullah.
Yaqub Ahmed.
Yeah.
My name is Yaqub Ahmed. I'm
Jacob
13 years
Herman
old.
Ahmed. Acha.
Yeah.
Acha.
I'm 13 years old and I'm from Madar al-Aman region. And I would like to ask you, what are the qualities and the characteristics an exemplary tifl should have? Also, beloved Huzur, I would like to ask you, after reading Abid Khan Sahib's diary, I wish to serve Huzur and the Jamaat. Which ways can I serve Huzur and Jamaat in the future?
You see, an exemplary tifl should be very regular and punctual in offering 5 daily prayers, right? After the age of 10, it is an obligatory on you to offer 5 daily prayers, and if possible in congregation, if you are living near the mosque, right? Then try to do tilawat, read the Holy Quran daily, even if it is 1 or 2 ruku, or small portion of it, right? Then an exemplary tifl should be morally very good, well behaved. When you go to school, students should know that this boy is very well behaved, so we have to be very careful in front of him. See, he is the person who does not involve himself in the bad things. So we have to be very careful when we are coming in front of him, right? When they talk to you, even if they use filthy language, you just avoid them and leave it. And you say that it is against the teaching of my religion that I should reply you in the same language, right? And you should respect your teachers, right? You should obey your teachers. You should obey your parents, right? And always think that whatever your parents think for you is for your betterment, right? And never think that they are trying to deprive you of your rights, or they are not caring you. Your parents are always very much caring for their children, right? Well, apart from some very rare examples, normally they are very much caring, right?
Yes.
And if you think that they are caring, then you will obey them. So then, in this way, you will attain the love of your parents more than the normal love a child gets from the parents, right?
Yes.
So these are some tips. And be regular in doing your homework when you come back from school. And try also to read some religious literature to increase your religious knowledge, right?
Yes.
And in this way, you will try yourself to make you a perfect tifl, right? And as the time goes on, you will increase your knowledge and wisdom and submission for the cause of the Jamaat. And in this way, you can serve the Jamaat and Khilafat in a best way. Okay?
Yes.
All right.